Y'all, I just went to the door and I got one of my packages. Now looky here. I'm supposed to have a couple packages coming in, but this one here is, let's see where I can show ya, set you up so you can see. Okay. The lighting is bad, isn't it? Is the lighting bad? Okay. I can get it. Hold up. I know what's going on here. This piece on the bottom. But I ordered a couple things off of Amazon. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. I'll be filming with the camera trying to make sure it's doing what it needs to be doing. Okay. Lights on. Okay, here I go. Ooh, put it away. Okay. Quickly here, let's see what's in this one, which I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I know, okay. Let's see, there are 3 items in this package. Did I get the right ones? I sure hope. I thought they were supposed to be yellow. Anyway, my husband told me to get Cat 7 cables. Did I get the right ones? They look like the right ones. Oh, yep, ethanol cables. Cat 7 ethanol cables. So that's supposed to help my laptop and stuff run faster when I'm trying to upload and do whatever I'm trying to do for YouTube or whatever I need to mainly for YouTube. So, also, I love my other phone case so much that I got this one. This one doesn't have a little, that one just put a little oomph on that other one, but this one doesn't have the little finger holder thing on the back. But anyway, it's still cute. See? It's just something about this little trim here, and it's quite sturdy for the phone. Yep, got that. Phone case, it's so cute. So those couple things that I just got off Amazon. And I ordered something. I haven't forgotten I'm supposed to be showing my beauty room, my beauty studio. It's just that I'm trying to make sure I get certain things done before I actually show the before and the after of it. There's some things that I want to share that I have throughout the room. So, and here comes Q-Tip whenever the camera's on. Go say hi. Go say hi to the camera on. You know how he be. You gotta be in it. Go say hi. Go speak. You're not gonna speak? Right here. Oh, see? Just because I want you to go speak, you're not gonna speak. Go say hi. Go ahead. Q-Tip's so smart. I'm telling you, he don't miss nothing. And any little thing that comes in the house, he knows it. Of course, his sense of smell, his nose is the give off for him, but I don't care what it is. He don't miss nothing. Nosy. You not gonna say hi? Anyway, if my other package come in, it's for the beauty studio though. I don't know if I should share that. I'll figure it out, but I do have another package coming in. Oh, I do have a couple of things that I've been waiting to share. Hold up. Hold up. Did you get the camera? I knew you it's all in the camera, in the lens. Okay, so yeah, I had some other Amazon packages that came about a month ago. I've installed, excuse me, to show you all. I'm waiting on the best time, but of course, you all know, masks. They seem to be, masks are like anything else that's a necessity. So these are a necessity these days. I got the variety pack. I think they were $49.99. I did order them off of Amazon. Disposable masks, 3-ply masks, safe and comfortable, individually packed. So I got those. I mean, and you get so many. It's like you get 10 of every color. So there's a nude, navy, pink, black, and camo. So yep, got those. This is just, they come, like I said, come individually packed. It's a necessity. You gotta keep these like you keep underclothes, what else? Anything. Excuse me, you gotta keep these like you keep anything that's a necessity, okay? So, yeah, Amazon is where I got those. Who is the, I don't know who the seller was. Q-Tip! I say hi, I say take over. It'll be the effective painless floss on the skin. Tay tried one out already. Q-Tip! I'm gonna put you back in the house. Was there a big difference in these masks, Tay?
Was that the camouflage one you did?
Yeah, the camouflage. Then it was 3-ply. Was it comfortable fit?
Yeah, it feels good. Okay, so. Did they have a adjustable string though? I can't remember if that was the one or not.
I don't think
maybe
so.
I'm thinking about the one I got from the store.
Where's the string at on this one? Oh, it's blue. Oh, okay. So the string is pretty much, okay, matching the mask. Okay.
Yeah, that was nice though.
Okay. Comfortable fit. Okay, also, black water. Are you familiar with black water? This is what they look like. This is a 12-pack. Amazon. This is alkaline pH 8 plus water beverage, a blend of fulvic, trace minerals, hydration, and electrolytes. It's purified water. Trace minerals. Okay, our blend of trace minerals is what gives black its distinct black color. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Have you tried black water? Have you ever heard of black water prior to now? It's just to look at it, it's like black water, but it really doesn't have a taste. I had a bottle I was drinking. So, it's like, enjoy the dark side. It's like my Twilight Zone sound. But let me see if I can kind of explain. It's like, I mean, like, if I'm drinking it, not knowing, it's good, refreshing. This isn't cold, it's room temperature. So if it was cold, I can imagine it would be even more refreshing. Even though I don't like real cold water. But if I was just drinking with my eyes closed, not even knowing it was black water, well, I don't know if I really know. It's like, I don't know, it's smooth. It don't have a taste to me. I don't know, I can't tell anything to say that it's different. Yep, that's what it is. Look like coffee, huh? Some dark tea. Now at the health food store, these are like $2 or something, maybe $2.99 a bottle. And then, oh, let's see, I I can't remember. Amazon. It was cheaper to buy the 12 pack. It was a saving to buy the 12 pack. I know that. So yeah. Anyway, let me know if you tried the black water. What you think of it. Feel the difference. Like I said, pH of 8 if you are into alkaline water. If you haven't tried it, let me know if you're curious enough to try it. If you think you will try it. So, I'll be back. Vlogmas 2020. We on a roll, y'all. Coming through. Coming through. I got a lot. Y'all, we got the videos. They just... I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna make it at least to Christmas. I mean, Vlogmas really runs to Christmas Day, and then thereafter any posting. Some people take a break after that. So my goal is to really just make it to Christmas Day, and then I'll go from there. But yeah, I'm on a roll now, so hey, keep it going. So you already know. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Get into the intro.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
Honey's home. Hi, honey. How was your day? Uh-oh. Hey, y'all. I want to show y'all something really quick. In the grocery haul, if you've seen that already, I got this ginger probiotics. And I already got my cup with some sugar. Yeah, that's me. And... smells good. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is caffeine free. Nothing can bring you peace but yourself. Ralph Waldo Emerson. That's a fact. You know what I'm saying? Be your own peace. Bring your own peace. Control your own peace. Ooh, it smells good. So drop that on in here. Let's see what it is telling us. Blended with care. From seed to sip. It'll tell us like what's good, what is good. The story. The perfect tranquility of life, which is nowhere to be found but in retreat. A faithful friend and a good library. No, I'm waiting to hear what's the benefits of this. Here we go, right here. First, I'm going to put my water in here. Heated my water up in the microwave. Ooh, making a mess, making a mess. Okay. I just took your stuff out to dry. I'm gonna fold it up. I'll tell you to put his sheets in there. Okay, so yeah, to this ginger plus probiotics. Traditionally known for its digestive benefits, ginger is paired with lively spices like sweet cinnamon and earthly cardamom. I never heard of that. We've also added probiotics to this smoothing and warming blend to support healthy digestion. So that's what we need. That's the main benefits. That pizza was not good. I told him don't get that kind of one. Hey, can you hand me a spoon, please? Give me a spoon, thank you. Thank you. Goodness. Let's see. Yep, that's that. This is the brand. It's hot. It's good. I do love ginger anyway. The probiotics. I think I really need this in my life. So, yeah. Okay, go finish my tea. Tea time. It's tea time, baby. Let me know if you tried this already. Yes. See. A little hot. Maybe I'm gonna make a chicken salad. You know, chicken salad every day, homemade chicken salad. Oh yeah, I got a clip I can include. Shows y'all how to make that chicken salad. He just reminded me.